Hey friends, welcome to another laundry motivation video. This one is a little bit different because I am putting the clothes out at night. I've never done this before on my channel. This is something that I've done before, but I haven't done it in a while. I started laundry this morning and this was my second load of laundry. I wasn't able to put these out on the line because the first load was taking up all the space on the line. So I left these with the intentions of putting them out once I got home, but then it started to rain, but it didn't rain a lot. It was like a little drizzle and it didn't last long. It happened a couple times throughout the afternoon, but it didn't last long any of those times. So had I put these out, they would have dried. But anyhow, here we are and they're going on the line now. I'll be here with you for another 5 minutes or so if you have something laundry related to get done, 5 minutes is enough time, I think, to load your washer or unload it. Depending on how much clothes you have, you can even put them out on a line. But, you know, if you have a laundry related task or any kind of task and you just need some company, just know that there's somebody somewhere at night hanging clothes on a line outside. And hopefully that will help you to get going with whatever task you have to do. If you're new here, my name is Bevy, and here on my channel I like to post laundry motivation videos. I do post other videos, the occasional vlog, a grocery haul probably once a month, and cleaning motivation here and there. So if you like that sort of content, I invite you to hit the subscribe button. It is free to you. It will take just a couple seconds out of your time and it will help out my channel. Another thing that helps on my channel is if you watch all the way to the end. So my embracers know that this line has been giving me hell, and tonight a part of it broke completely right here. So you'll see the piece that's supposed to be holding that arm up is completely broken off. That's right above my head right now, or right by my head right there. Yep, that completely broke. The rivet that was holding it in place broke, and then it just kind of slid out of the plastic bracket that was on it, and I had to call for help to get it up. We did get it up, as you will see in this clip, and I just was hoping and praying that it would stay up all night. The good thing is because that reel is below it, if the clothes fall, they won't fall on the ground, because if they were to fall on the ground, then they'd probably get wet and muddy, because the dew fall is pretty decent. So it is wet outside in the morning when we wake up. So as long as they don't fall on the ground, I'm good, because then that would mean I'd have to take them all off the line and rewash them, and that would be a task and a half. So not only did I get help to put the line back up, but I also got help to put the rest of the clothes on the line. And guys, this is just another one of those things that makes laundry annoying. I have already selected another line. It is one like this, but it's a different brand, but it's the same design, the same kind of one that you have to dig a hole for. Not this particular brand, a different brand with good reviews. So I think we're going to be getting that one. Of course, it's going to take a while to get here, but until then, this one just has to make do. Alright guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for spending 6 minutes of your life with me, and I'll see you right here in another couple days with a brand new video. If you have been around for a while, you might remember me doing shorts on a Tuesday and a Thursday. I think I'm gonna go back to doing that, guys, but we'll see. Alright, bye.